Welcome to your English Buddy. In today's video, we will learn about the future continuous tense. This tense is used for actions that will be happening at a certain time in the future. I will explain it with easy examples. Introduction. What is future continuous tense? The future continuous tense shows an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Structure. Subject plus will be plus verb, ing form. Examples. I will be eating dinner at 8 p.m. She will be studying for her exam tomorrow. Usage. To show an action in progress at a future time. To talk about planned future events. Example, at this time tomorrow, we will be traveling to Islamabad. Negative sentences. Subject plus will not be plus verb, ing form. Examples. He will not be working tomorrow. I will not be attending the party. Question sentences. Will plus subject plus be plus verb, ing form, plus question mark. Examples. Will you be coming to class? Will they be watching the movie? Mini quiz. Test yourself. Fill in the blanks using future continuous tense. 1. At 10 p.m. I sleep. 2. Tomorrow, she cook dinner for her family. 3. They not watch TV at this time next week. Want to know if your answers are correct? Comment below and tell me how many you got right. And for more fun grammar videos, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.